Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's your first time over here, what we do over here is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up in pieces, so each and everyone can understand. You know we do it on a Thursday already. Tradingview Thursdays. Today we're going to take a look at Fibonacci retracement. So a Fibonacci retracement is a tool that we use to identify where price might retrace to after an impulse has taken place. So it's basically measuring the length of the flag. So once you can measure the length of the flag to know where price is going to retrace, then you know where to enter after a higher low has been created or a lower high has been created. Let's take a quick look at Fibonacci retracement. Alright, USD JPY, right? Watch me now. This is like too easy, right? So price been going in this uptrend for the longest time, guys. Come on, right? This is like too easy, right? Price been going this uptrend for the longest time, right? So what you want to do, right? Same thing as this, right? The same one, enter this as I showed you guys yesterday, right? Bam, retrace, create a higher low, right? And then bam, there's your buy right there, right? It's like so easy, even a caveman can do it, right? You just move this right here, right? Bam, like that. Stop loss behind here, extend and take profit to there about, right? Nice 190 pips, or if you want to go a little higher, 200 pips, just beneath this resistance right here. It's like too easy, right? But I'm gonna do something better for you. I know that price is gonna retrace right here, right? Show you guys this nice little Fibonacci retracement tool right here, bam, right? All you want to do is catch it from the swing low, bam, to the swing high right there, bam. I like to use that the 32, right? It's where price comes back right here about the 32, and notice where I'm showing where price is gonna retrace. Notice that it rests on the trend line. Simple as that. So I gave you guys a tip today, right? Thank you guys for watching. And if there's anything on Tradingview that you'd like to see me cover, please comment below or send me a message on Instagram with the link in the description below, and I'll definitely make a video for you to assist you the best I can. Go and big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out, y'all.